American ultra-premium bike maker Harley-Davidson had to shut shop in India due to a tepid demand and a bleak outlook. Let's do a three-point analysis to find out what it means for Royal Enfield and for the investors of Eicher Motors. 1. What led to Harley-Davidson's exit? Well, if you see, this is the fourth international automobile brand to actually exit the country, and that is after General Motors, MAN Trucks and UM Lohia. Harley's departure also comes at a time when the world is grappling with a pandemic that has caused significant distress, and that's across the economies. Now, Harley has actually exited the world's largest two-wheeler market also, which actually has witnessed sales of 17 million units in FY20. Now, Harley operates in the ultra-premium segment that features very expensive bikes, and India, being a price-sensitive market, has definitely, with low disposable incomes, not been able to match up on the aspirations front. Now, even Harley's lowest power bike, if you see the 750cc bike, it is priced at 4.7 lakh rupees ex-showroom, and that seems very expensive. 2. What can be inferred from Harley's failure for Royal Enfield then? Well, most of the bike makers or bike enthusiasts actually get their aspirations fulfilled with the homegrown bike maker Royal Enfield. Now, Royal Enfield also enjoys a unique niche that actually fulfills both the aspirational value as well as is pocket friendly. Now, its entry segment offering is at 1.35 lakh rupees for 350cc, and the top end 650cc bike is priced at a relatively economical 2.8 lakh rupees. Now, while Harley is a big boy overseas, it has definitely struggled for over a decade to make a mark in India, where it has sold only 25,000 units so far. As against this, Royal Enfield sells more than 50,000 units per month and has grown significantly over the last one decade. Now, with the compounded annual growth rate of say 30% in units over calendar year 10 to FY20, it has actually sold almost 7 lakh units in FY20. Further, it has also a market share of 96% in the 250cc plus bike segment. So we do believe that this will continue. Royal Enfield will continue its run in the domestic market, hold on to its leadership position in the premium segment as well. 3. What should investors of Eicher Motors do then? Well, the failure of Harley-Davidson does indicate that Royal Enfield has the required ingredients to compete with international brands. Now, in fact, the company has also forayed into various export markets, and it is also aspiring to replicate the success that it has achieved in India, even abroad. Now, Royal Enfield's export volume grew 96% year on year in FY20, and that has led to an increase in the export volume contribution to 5.5% in FY20 as you compare it with just about 2.5% in FY19. Now, the growth was led by its newly launched 650cc twins. As of now, Europe is the largest export market for Royal Enfield, and in fact, the company is also focusing on increasing the exclusive stores in various geographies to improve its visibility and to also enhance its brand value. Now, the company is well equipped in terms of technical know-how, also to understand the customer aspirations and also optimizing the price points to succeed in the international markets per se. Now, most of the experts believe that in the upcoming festive season, as well as the gradual reopening of many of the economies, will definitely together bode well for the company. So they recommend investors to accumulate the stock on any weakness.